Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'll show you how to find the center of a circle, of any random circle. So here I have taken three empty circles. So we are going to see three ways of how to find the center. So let's just start with one circle. Just take the circle, whatever diameter or whatever radius circle you have. Draw a chord. A chord is something that passes through 2 points of a circle. So just draw chord of any length passing through any 2 points on the circle. So here I'm drawing a chord AB. Now draw a second chord. So it is not necessary for these chords to be identical or parallel. You can just draw two random chords to a circle. Now we have to keep our pointer on point B, and with the distance slighter greater than the half of AB. You have to draw two arcs that from point A and B that intersect each other. So you can take any distance between your compass. It should be less than AB and greater than the half of AB. So join these two arcs, you'll get a line. So similarly for C and D also, you have to find the center of C and D. So for that, just draw two random arcs from C and D with the distance slightly less than CD. So now you get 2 points. You just join these 2 points. Perfect. So in this way, the point where these two lines are intersecting each other is the center of your circle. So easy it is. Just draw two chords and divide the chords into half and extend those lines until they intersect each other. So in that way you get center of a circle. Let's see another way of doing it. So here I have taken a random circle. I don't know the radius or diameter of this circle. It's just a random circle which I drew. So take your compass and we will draw a chord, any random chord of any length. It should just intersect 2 points on a circle. Let's name this chord A and B. So now we will take a protractor. Protractor is having all the angles mentioned on it. We will keep the point of our protractor on A. So make sure the line of 180 is coming exactly over AB. It should not be placed in a wrong manner. So mark a 90 angle from A. So now we will join this. We will draw a line exactly at 90 of angle from A. We will get two perpendicular lines AB and this another line which is perpendicular to AB. Now the point at which this line is intersecting the circle, we have to join that point with B. Let's name this point as C. So now I will join CB. So CB happens to be the diameter of this circle. So now our center point should lie on this diameter only. So now we have to find the center of this diameter, which we will do by keeping the pointer of our compass on B, take distance slightly less than CB, and we draw two arcs on left and right. Similarly, from pointer C, we intersect these two arcs. So now we get two intersected arcs. We have to join these two arcs, which will give us the center of our diameters CB. And bingo, there you go. that you get is the center of your circle. So this is also an extremely easy way to find the center of any random circle. Now let me show you what is the third way to do it. The third easy way to find the center of whatever circle you want. So let's just take a circle. I will draw a random chord which intersecting the circle at 2 points. We'll name this chord as A and B. Now you take protractor and draw a line, perpendicular lines from A and B both. So you keep the protractor pointer on A, match the 180-degree lines with B and mark an angle of 90 degrees from A. Similarly, keep the pointer of protractor on B, mark a 90 degrees angle from B. There it is. Okay, now all you have to do is join A with the alternate point and join B with another alternate point that we just marked and intersect the circle. You can also just do it directly, like first draw a perpendicular from A 90 degrees and from B also draw 90 degrees perpendicular through to that point if you are not really sure of it. Now you can draw a cross line that intersects the circles at the point where these lines were intersecting the circle. So we join here. There you go. The point which we have got after intersecting these two lines is the center of the circle. Perfect. That's how easy it was. I hope you liked the video. And yeah, I'll just be coming up with more of these type of videos that are useful in our daily life as well as for students and for all your daily activities. So please subscribe to the channel if you like it and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.